Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Emma at M's Little Corner. It's an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Gems. Our theme today was cats. Alright, so today I'm going to be using some nail tips. They are going to go on my nails at the end. These are the Betty Cora short almond tips. Excuse me. They are the pre-shaped nail tips. They're cool. And I'm going to apply some of this Orly Bonder on them. Yes, indeed. It's going to be my base coat today. So here we go. We're going to get that on here. I'm going to go a little backwards to make sure I'm covering that edge really good. You can't do that on yourself or a client, but you can do it on tips. I'll be using Sinful Colors, and this one is called Mad Matter. And this one is from the Porcelain Matte collection. Gonna do a couple of coats of this, and it does dry down matte, but you guys know I'm not gonna leave it matte. Pfft. I don't know why, because it looked beautiful like that, but we're just gonna gloss it up here. All right, second coat of Mad Matter. These are so cute. I love these little almond tips. They're just cute. Very adorable. We're going to top this with I&M's out the door. Going to get it to dry down. All right. I'll be using this You Are Beautiful plate number 12. It's got a lot of cute puppy and kitty images. And this is a Jubis plus DonDeeva. I'm going to use that little kitty cat. And then I've got Maniology M412. And that little cat. Alright, I'll be using this Maniology Stampin' Polish called Acorn. And love me some coconut. This is one of my favorite stampin' polishes. And then today we're also going to be using Folklore. Beautiful gray. Alright, and I've got out 2 square stampers, cube stampers, and my monocle stamper. All of them from Maniology. And we're going to clean this little stamping plate off after we got that blue film off of it. Give it a wipe down. And I'm going to pull the 2 kitty cat images first, because I'm going to try to behave today and not just go too cray. Not too crazy. That is such a cute little image. I'm going to get this excess up with a piece of tape here. Alright. Clean that off. Alright, set it to the side. We're going to get this Ajibis plate out. And that little kitty is just so cute. Just love it. Went through all my plates looking for all images. And I really wanted to find some I've never used before, and I did it. I found 2 plates that I know I haven't used these images on anything. So that's always fun. You know, I got some plates that are like on recycle repetitive. I love them. I use them all the time. But it's nice to pull out ones that I've never used. I've used this plate, but I hadn't used that image. Guess that's what I'm trying to say. Get that all cleaned up so we can put it away. I'm going to go over these decals with some smudge-free top coat so that when I fill them in, I don't ruin them. Let those dry out while I do some more stuff. Isn't that the cutest little kitty cat image? I love it. She's so cartoony and cute and pretty. I just love it. Big old head and little bitty body. I just was talking to me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fill these in. And I'm using the coconut. And I'm just going to fill the whole image in. I'm going to, do it all. And I'm using one of the Maniology detail brushes. I've gotten kind of addicted to them. They've got a brush on one end and a dotting tool on the other end, and I just think that's perfect. Perfect, perfect. 2 tools in one, and you guys know we gotta love some of that. She's just so pretty. And I should have done her eyes different and, different colors, and I didn't, but I should have. But you guys, when I get to playing, it's like one track mind, just not even thinking, I'm just doing. Get that little bitty body here. But I do love this coconut stamping polish because it's like a really nice cream, super light cream color, not that stark white. And nothing wrong with stark white because I use that all the time, but I really, really like this one. When you're not wanting that just bam in your face, get you white. Get her little footsie Cecile. Turn around. Oh, she's so cute. Yep, that worked out okay. All right. Hers is cute. Now for the other one, and it's just a cute little cat face. And I really liked this. I love how cats always look different. You know, you got different colors and different shapes, and they're all marked so cool. But I haven't met a cat yet that didn't have some kind of attitude. And I'm not talking that in a bad way. I'm saying in a good way. I think that their cats are just funny. I think they're just full of personality. Oh, and before I forget, there should be a list of participants and a hashtag down in the description box if you want to go check out the other cat manicures. If you just want to see what everybody else did. Oh, that's cute. Let me get a background on it so we can see it. Yes, that turned out great. And now I'm going to use these little kitty paws in this light gray. I guess it's kind of a medium gray. But I'm going to do some stamping off of this plate onto the other nails. Get that all on there. Love it. Very cute. I think gray and pink just look so good together. All shades of it, bright, dark. Okay, and then we're moving up the plate to the next image, and it's more little kitty prints, little footy prints. That one picked up great. Get it turned around so we can apply it to this pinky nail. I think that's the pinky nail. I don't know. Cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller. Or stamping, I don't know what they're called. They've always been lint rollers to me. And this one just says meow, 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 meow. And that's going to go on one of the other nails. That one did not pick up very well. We're going to start over. Clean it off and start over. I don't know if I just didn't scrape it good enough. That might have been my problem. I think we'll get it this time, though. I'm feeling better about it. Okay, got that one. Looks good. There we go. Stamp it down. Meow, meow. Meow. Alright, gonna clean my plate off. Get my little everything cleaned up. There we go. Looking pretty good. Alright, ready for next time. Clean my little stampy mat. Alrighty. So here we go with the smudge-free top coat. I'm going to go over these that I stamped under the nails. That is my thumbnail. And this right here will be my index finger, or my pointer finger as we call it down here where I live. We call that our pointer finger because we always point at stuff. And then the little paw prints over here on the pinky nail. Get that one all glossied up. Alright, now I'm going to use the sticky base from Maniology for my two nails that I'm putting these decals on that I made. Put it on that one and this one. And I try not to glob it on there too much. I get a little carried away sometimes, but I really try to just do a nice thin brushing of it. Alright, now to get this little kitty cat on that nail. Oh. Alright, she's a little puckered up, but we're going to fix her up some here in just a minute. Alright, that one looks pretty good. Alright, now for some cleaning up. Got out my little cleanup brush, and I'm dabbed it into my little dampen dish with some acetone, and I'm just trying to straighten out some of these little wrinkles and anything that's hanging off the edge. Get her turned around here where I can see what I'm doing. I'm kind of going underneath and melting that's hanging off. And I do clean my brush off over on a paper towel. And after I dip it in acetone, I also tap it on the paper towel to help get some of that liquid off of there, because I don't want to flood this and ruin it. But I'm just kind of tapping sideways around, just trying to melt that down in, and got to get this camera to act right. That one's not as bad. This one that I'm working on right now isn't as bad messed up from, the excess. But I'm just going around, tap, tap, tapping, trying to smooth it out so that when I put the top coats on, it's smooth. And you don't really see those bumpies. We don't want the bumpies in here. So I do hope y'all will go check out the other kitty cat manicures over on the Instagram. Tapping it with my finger too, trying to just mush it flat. But we're going to get there. Little work involved here, but it's okay. Trying to avoid getting into the black polish. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, I'm going to go over these with the smudge-free top coat, because this side of the decal hadn't had anything put on it. And I don't want to go brush my top coat over it and smear everything and ruin it at the last minute. So there we go with some smudge-free top coat for both of them. And you can see I didn't go to the top of the nail with that. I really just try to go over the image. I don't have to go all the way to the top, just the image. Okay, once that is dry, we're going to go over everything with our final top coat. And today I'm using Posh. Oh, I just think that's so cute. See, I'd wear a manicure, all nails done just like that. Cute. Or this one, meow, meow, meow. Meow. I'd wear them just straight up, just like that. That's so cute. Love that you can brush backwards on these. I'm letting those other two dry just a little bit more while I do these, because I know they're ready. They're ready for their final top coat. I love kitty cat manicures. I don't have a cat right now. I have had cats in the past, though, and they've always been such characters. Alright, so here we go. We're going to glossy coat these. Holding our breath, making sure we don't mess anything up. Because you hate to get to the end of something like this and go, dang it. I've done that before. Going across that back just like I would the free edge on the tip. Okay, that looks pretty good. Moving on. And that's just a cute cat face. I love it. So adorable. But I really did like this one. And even though, I didn't get to wear them for a week or anything, I did put them on and wore them for a day. And I think it was a day, maybe two. Really enjoyed it. So today I'm putting these on with some of those little sticky tabs. And I really do like these. They don't last a long time. But I learned a trick from somebody, and if I can remember who it is, I'll put a link for them down in the description box. But they put their sticky tabs on the nails first. And I loved this. It was so easy. Well, of course, I got to make it look hard. But, I don't always have luck getting these tabs, the backing off of them. And this came off way easier. Love them. Push, push, push. Mushy, pushy. All right, there we go. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.